Hello everyone, behind me is Yinneng Modular House MG3-40. MG3-40 has one living room, one kitchen, one bedroom and one bathroom. 11.38 meters long, 3.48 meters wide, 3.3 meters high and 6.5 tons. It's 39.6 square meters in total. It is mainly made metal, fluorocarbon paint, anti-corrosion and rust. The entrance door has a smart password lock. You can see a hallway and the control panel. We divide this area into 3 parts. Here is an oversized wash basin. You can use the above and bottom to put things. The shower room, the toilet room. They all equipped luxury brand of furniture appliances, including air conditioning, electric curtains and more. They are all factory standard. This room is multi-purpose. You can put sofa as a living room, may also tea room, office, cafe, even as shops. The interior is 3.3 meters high. Living here, you won't feel depressed. There is a ventilated window. Next to it is a large L-shaped windows, all equipped with electric curtains, great to protect of your privacy. Walls are filled with high-level thermal insulation material. It also sound insulation. The winter version has floor heating. You won't feel cold until -30 degrees. It used double glass to isolate ultraviolet light and fill argon gas in the middle, sound and heat insulation.